Hello everyone! It's a very cold day, so I'm going to make a nice hot butternut squash and chickpea curry. Again, no oil and no sugar. Okie dokie, let's get on with it. This chickpea is frozen one. When I cooked chickpeas, I made this hummus, and I always leave some like this, and then I use it when I need it. So that's the frozen one, but it's about 200 grams. I'm going to use half of this. Now I chop the onion. I like to grate this garlic because then it is finer and it is easy to absorb into the butternut squash. Put into the middle like this, and then okay. I like finely chopped this ginger because it is stringy, so it is better to cut it. Ginger goes in. This kale I will put in the end. Today I've got big kale. I will show you how to strip the kale leaves. So hold this end of stem and see, you can have a now long stick. So hold it. Oh, this time didn't work very well. But it's fun though. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So cut it into bite size. Now let's start to cook. It's a curry powder. Turmeric. I like the turmeric. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory stuff. And of course cardamom. It's really nice aroma, so pinch of cardamom, tablespoon mixed herb, and black pepper. I will add a little bit of water so that they can mingle well. So now I will saute them. Extra water. Water is almost evaporated, so I will add more water. So now I will simmer for about 20 minutes. So now I'm going to add this coconut milk. This is cold day, so it is all solid now. So I will use half of this tin. And also I will put this chickpea now, and some salt. So it is almost done. So I'm going to add kale. And cooked another few minutes. Ooh, this is well cooked. So last thing, so I will add some lemon and 2 tablespoons hummus. It tastes really good when you put hummus in it. I'm testing. It's yummy. Fantastic. So it's all done. If I taste it, I will add sriracha to my curry as my husband can't eat very spicy food. The homemade sriracha. Just mix a little bit. Hot. I can taste individual flavor of the squash, chickpea, and coconut and lemon, and they all sit together very well. Squash is soft and sweet, and chickpea have a just right amount of firmness, and coconut and lemon flavor really comes through the mix, and curry gives off a wonderful aroma. What do you need more? I wish you are here. We can share together. Okay, hope you enjoy my recipe, and thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.